When you search for the best paint sprayers for furniture, everything looks the same. Same flashy features, same bold claims. But to find out what really delivers a flawless finish, you've got to look a little deeper. Product number 1: VONFORN Paint Sprayer. First up is the VONFORN Paint Sprayer. Priced at just $42.48, it caught my attention with its claim to make DIY projects a breeze. If you want an easy and effective way to revamp your furniture, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this sprayer could be a great fit for you. The 3 adjustable spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, and circular, mean you can customize your application for every project. Plus, with 7,500 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's clearly a favorite among users. The added dust-blowing feature ensures a cleaner surface for a better finish, and the easy cleanup is a huge time saver. However, some users mentioned that the paint flow can be inconsistent if not adjusted properly. Here's the thing though, as long as you take the time to fine-tune the flow control knob, it's manageable and can be easily mastered. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to tackle furniture refinishing or home projects without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need a sprayer for professional-grade projects. Overall, it's a great value for the price. Now, if the flow inconsistency worried you, the next option might take a different approach. Product number 2: Tilswall Paint Sprayer. Next up, we have the Tilswall Paint Sprayer at $59.99. What really grabbed my attention was its powerful 800W motor, designed to give you that perfect finish. If you want something versatile for a range of surfaces, this one deserves a look. This sprayer boasts a 1,300 ml detachable container, allowing you to work longer without constant refills. With 3 different nozzle sizes and spray patterns, it can handle anything from thin sealers to thick latex paints. Plus, with a 4.3-star rating from 2,000 reviews, it's clear users are satisfied with its performance. Some users did point out that it can be a bit heavy after prolonged use. But honestly, if you're tackling larger projects, that extra weight means you're also getting a more powerful tool that's built to last. This is perfect for you if you're painting larger furniture pieces or multiple items in one go. Skip this one if you prefer lighter, more compact options. For the features you get, it's a solid deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for DIY enthusiasts. Product number 3: EnoCraft D1 LVLP Spray Gun. Moving on, we have the EnoCraft D1 LVLP Spray Gun, priced at $119.99. This caught my eye because it promises professional quality for DIY projects. If you're serious about getting a flawless finish, this one is worth considering. The D1 features 3 nozzle sizes, making it adaptable for various paint types, and its aluminum body is both lightweight and durable. The kit includes everything you need to get started, including an air pressure regulator and cleaning supplies. Users rave about its high efficiency and exceptional atomization, leading to a perfectly even finish every time. With a 4.6-star rating from over 1,100 reviews, you can trust that it delivers. However, a few users noted that it requires a compressor, which is an added expense. But honestly, if you're looking for that professional touch and already have a compressor, it's a small price to pay for the quality you get. This is perfect for you if you're an avid DIYer or need a sprayer for automotive tasks. Skip this one if you want a plug-and-play solution without additional equipment. For serious enthusiasts, it's worth the investment. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 4: Graco Magnum X5. Next on the list is the Graco Magnum X5, coming in at $369. It's definitely on the pricier side, but I was intrigued by its powerful capabilities. If you're tackling major home projects, this might just be the sprayer for you. This airless sprayer is designed for larger jobs, handling up to 10 gallons of paint effortlessly. You can spray directly from a 1 or 5 gallon bucket, which is super convenient. With fully adjustable pressure control, you can spray unthinned paint at any pressure, ensuring a perfect finish without compromise. Plus, it can reach high areas with its 75-foot hose. It's rated 4.6 stars by 6,800 users, which speaks volumes about its reliability. On the downside, it can be overkill for smaller tasks, and some users feel it's bulky to store. This is perfect for you if you're looking at larger renovations or outdoor projects. Skip this one if you're just doing touch-ups or small furniture pieces. If you need serious performance, it's worth the price. Lastly, let's wrap up with a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch. Product number 5, EcoCraft HVLP Sprayer. Finally, we have the EcoCraft HVLP Sprayer at just $53.19. It's a fantastic pick if you're new to DIY projects but still want quality. If you want a user-friendly tool that's budget-friendly, this is a great choice. With a powerful motor delivering 15.8 GPH max flow, this sprayer is designed for smooth, even atomization without needing to thin your paint. The 360 degrees rotating suction hose ensures that you can spray from any angle, which is perfect for hard-to-reach spots. With a 4-star rating, it's clear that many find it reliable for their projects. Some users mentioned it can clog if not cleaned properly. But honestly, with the included cleaning kit, keeping it in top shape is straightforward. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out with DIY or need something simple for small projects. Skip this one if you're working on larger-scale tasks that need heavier-duty equipment. It's a great value for the price. So there you have it, the top 5 paint sprayers for furniture. Each one brings something unique to the table, whether it's budget-friendly options or something more robust for big projects. To recap, we covered the VONFORN for beginners, the Tilswall for versatility, the EcoCraft D1 for professional quality, the Graco Magnum X5 for heavy-duty projects, and the budget-friendly EcoCraft HVLP. No matter what your needs are, there's a perfect sprayer on this list for you.